Good morning, guys. We're gonna be rope dropping Magic Kindom today. We're so early that look at where we parked, guys. I think this is preferred, and that's it. This is all the people at Magic Kindom today. It's a Mickey Not So Scary Halloween party day, so the park opens up earlier. We're gonna be rope dropping, so stay tuned. I gotta tell you guys about this too. Alright guys, I got a quick tip for you guys. So in the monorail on the way to the Magic Kindom, if you go on the first tram, first or second tram, instead of going that way, if you go this way, there's gonna be a little staircase and you guys are gonna be the first ones to walk into the entrance. So not much people know about this. So pro tip, so since it is a Mickey Not So Scary Halloween party night, a lot of people decide to opt out from the day ticket because they miss out on the fireworks, they miss out on all this important stuff. The park closes at 6. It's usually gonna be less crowded on Mickey Not So Scary Halloween party days. September is actually a very good time to come to Magic Kindom because not much people want to spend this because the tickets are the same price. Tickets are not gonna drop during Mickey Not So Scary Halloween party days. The only thing that changes is the park's gonna open an hour earlier and it's gonna close at 6. A lot of people decide to opt out and not come during the day event. So if you were thinking about coming to Magic Kindom on a non-busy day, September, maybe October too, but September is definitely the less crowded time of the year to come to any Disney park in general, but especially the Magic Kindom since they do have the Halloween party going on. But yeah guys, I'm with my mom today. Shout out mom. There's not much people here. It's currently 7:42. The park opens in 18 minutes, so we'll see. We're probably just gonna be here for a little bit in the morning and then we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go rope drop 7 dwarfs and go from there. All right guys, we're at Liberty Square. I'm gonna be rope dropping for 7 dwarfs. There's look at this guys, there's barely any people. The goal is to wait for the ropes to drop and then walk straight here, and this is the fastest way to get to 7 dwarf if you're rope dropping. Most people usually decide to rope drop from the other side, which is Tomorrowland if I'm not mistaken, but that is not the most optimal way to rope drop 7 dwarf. So just wait till they open here and then just walk straight past this road right here, and then you're gonna have 7 dwarfs right there. You guys are gonna see we're probably gonna get there before the other people. It's just the most optimal way to do it. Alright guys, so my mom wanted to watch the good morning announcement, so we're gonna watch the good morning announcement. I think all the characters come out, I'm not sure. I think they do, right? So we're gonna watch it and then we're gonna rush, but I mean rush over there so that we can rope drop 7 dwarfs. But she gave me life, so I can't say no to her.
Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Gosh, it sure is great to see so many amazing friends.
It certainly is. Oh, I have a feeling today is going to be the best day ever.
Alright guys, we watched the show. 7:57 and it looks like they just dropped them. Literally just dropped the ropes. Most people walk to Adventureland from here, so most people go straight. They don't turn right here. But we're actually gonna turn right. We're gonna go rope drop 7 dwarfs. So see you guys. We'll see how the line is. I don't think it's gonna be much. It's definitely not busy today, so I'm excited to see how today unfolds. This is the passage I was telling you guys. So that's where the ropes drop, and then that's the castle right here. So you just go on the side of the castle, go straight, and then past the carousel to the right is gonna be 7 dwarfs. Look how empty it is. This is the perks of rope dropping, waking up early, maybe a little moody, I don't know. But that's about to see 7 dwarfs. Probably the busiest line of them all, but it's not even opened yet. 7 dwarfs opens officially now. It should be open now. It's 8, but it's still not open. But look at the line. It starts here. There's nobody in it yet, but we'll see how far this goes. Maybe this is why people rope drop it from the other side, because they know the line will go all the way back there at A. It's not that bad. big mistake on our part. If you want to rope drop 7 dwarf, definitely don't come from Adventureland.
No, you gotta come through Tomorrowland.
Yeah, you gotta come through Tomorrowland because, okay, honestly, the entrance to 7 Dwarfs,
The line goes all
like,
the way to
it's faster if you go through to get to the entrance, not to get to the line. To get to the entrance is faster if you go through Adventureland and then cut through the castle. But what I didn't have into consideration, because I haven't rope dropped Magic Kingdom in forever, is that the line forms to all the way back here, so it's actually faster.
rope drop is right there.
The rope drop is right there,
By Starlight.
right by Starlight Cafe, so it's actually faster if you just come through Starlight Cafe and then boom, straight into the line. Alright guys, so we've been in line for like about 10 minutes and we're about to get on it. I mean, not about to get on it, but this is where the fast pass and the regular line combines. So pretty short wait. We rope dropped it and it was worth it. So we're about to go get in it. See you guys right after. Yeah, I got that.
Mira el castillo de lado. Está grabando.
I'm trying to get a fist bump.
Oh!
We did it, guys. So women's tech here for 2 hours, guys. I'm gonna be able to claim my Disney check finally. No, I'm just kidding. It's moving again. We're stuck for like 2 minutes. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys remember from last vlog when I was with Carito. She did not know what Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin is, so in her memory, I came to it. We're right here at Magic Kingdom. We're gonna do it for her. Let me roll the clip real quick so you guys see what I'm talking about. Which one do you like better? Toy Story Mania or the one in Magic Kingdom? The Buzz Lightyear one?
Is there one in Magic Kingdom?
But yeah, she does not know what this is, so I'm about to write it for her. I'm about to send her a picture, actually. That'd be so fun, you guys. 5-minute wait. We did a 15-minute wait at 7 Dwarfs, so pretty cool. She beat me this time, but we're gonna go again because I think that the only reason why she beat me is because we were in the same cart. That's just excuses, I know, but I genuinely think that's why the reason she beat me. So we better go on it again since it's just a walk on. I got my revenge. I didn't get Galactic here, but I got 6, 27, and she got 20. So hey guys, that just means I'm better. I guess when me and my mom were like even, because she beat me the first time, but I beat her the second time. But the second time I did more than her first time, so I'll let you guys be the judges, but I think I got it on me. How does it feel to drastically lose against me?
I beat you the first time.
Yeah, but like the second time I got more than your first time, so technically I beat you.
Cheated.
How? You can't cheat on that. Yes. Fun fact, I have actually never been in this ride in my life before, and this is gonna be my first time. So I've been a pass holder for 5 years, so I actually lied in last vlog, well, 2 vlogs ago. I have not done all the attractions. I know about it, but I have never done this attraction before. This is the Orbit something, Masters, whatever, but look at this view, guys, like, and it goes higher, so we're gonna be able to get a beautiful view of the castle, and we're at the max. I cannot believe I never done this. Look at that beautiful castle. I'm about to throw up. I'm not gonna lie, this one goes much faster than Dumbo. I'm like feeling dizzy. This is so cool. Oh my god, I'm getting so dizzy for some reason. That was pretty cool, Mom. I'm so glad I went on it. I have never done it. But we're gonna do Space Mountain. Guys, the park opened an hour ago and like the lines are still pretty low. So that's pretty impressive. Space Mountain is at a 10-minute wait. 10-minute wait. When have you seen this at a 10-minute wait? I haven't seen this at a 10-minute wait in a while, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not gonna record on this one, so I'm about to just do the line. I'll see you guys right after. We are probably gonna go get coffee, or we might do Tron. We're not sure. I need a coffee though. I'm half asleep. I woke up very early to rope drop, so we'll see you guys right after. Alright guys, so we just did like 5 attractions. We rope dropped 7 dwarfs. Then we did Buzz Lightyear twice. I beat her.
Astro Orbiter.
Then we did Astro Orbiter. Actually, I had never done that before.
Then we did the Space Mountain.
And then we did Space Mountain. So
And the People Mover.
And the people. So technically, 5, but we did Buzz Lightyear twice. So technically 6. We're gonna go get a coffee now. We're gonna watch the Mickey's and Friends show at the castle. So yeah. I don't know if you guys have heard the news, but Magic Kindom is actually gonna get a huge expansion. There's gonna be 2 new lands. They're gonna have the Villains Land, which is gonna be over behind where Big Thunder Mountain is, and then they announced 2 new Cars attractions. But people genuinely are confused on where this is gonna be, because behind Big Thunder Mountain, there's not much space to do a whole Cars and Villains Land. So people are speculating that they're gonna get rid of Tom Sawyer's Island, and in the picture, like on the prototype that Disney posted, it looks like it. It looks like they are gonna be getting rid of Tom Sawyer's Island, and all of a sudden, everyone cares about it. So we're actually here. I don't know how they're gonna do it. I mean, I know this is all artificial, and this lake doesn't really mean anything, and the water can just be extracted and whatsoever. But that's gonna be a lot of work, and if they want to open by 2026, 2027, I don't think they're gonna get that done by that time. It doesn't even look like it's open. We're gonna go in it, but it doesn't even look like it's open. But apparently, this whole thing, I guess they're gonna drain out the water, so the rivers of America is gonna be gone too, and that's where they're gonna put the new Cars attraction. And then right behind where Big Thunder Mountain is where they're gonna put the new Villains Land. Alright guys, so we're about to do Big Thunder Mountain. I haven't done this ride in a while, and we were gonna go to Tom Sawyer's Island, but it does not open until 11. So just gonna do this one real quick, and we might skip Tom Sawyer Island because I have stuff to do today, but we're gonna be back early next week to check it out. I think I've been once in it. Like, that's why I don't mind if they put Cars there, because generally, like, I have been to it just once. Which one do you guys usually go? Do you guys go left or do you guys go right? I chose to go right this time. I don't know why. It looks to be moving a little faster, but obviously choosing which line to go is always a hit or miss. So don't overthink it. Just go in whichever line and you're gonna be fine. You're gonna get on the ride either way. Alrighty guys, so we just watched the parade. We're gonna start heading out of here. Hopefully we don't get caught up in the parade, but it was an amazing day. We did a lot of attractions. Definitely love to come to Disney World when it's not busy. So if you guys were planning a trip to Disney World, September is a good time to come. So I'm gonna start walking out of here. Alright guys, we're leaving now. Had a great day at Magic Kindom. Well, great morning, because we were only here since it opened till now, which is 11:33. Had a great day. We're gonna go home. I got stuff to do this weekend, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's a great day at Magic Kindom. Had a great time. Rope drop, did a lot of attractions. It's not that busy because it's a party day, so had a lot of fun. Crowds were very low. We got to go on the most, popular rides of Magic Kindom, and we did only 10, 15, 20-minute waits. So that was great. No Galactic Hero yet, but we'll get it next time. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you later. Peace.